In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to build a landing page with Lovable. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to the Lovable homepage. This is where everything begins. Once you're on the site, look for the built-in chatbot, usually available as a bubble in the corner of the screen. That chatbot is your co-pilot for creating a complete landing page, and it works best when you give it clear direction. Before you type anything, take a moment to craft a strong starting prompt. Think of it as your creative brief. Describe what your product or service is, who it's for, and the main goal of the page, whether that's capturing leads, getting signups, or driving purchases. Call out the sections you want, like a hero with a headline and subheadline, features, testimonials, pricing, and a final call to action. Add your brand tone, professional, friendly, or playful, and any style cues such as color, palette, or imagery ideas. If you have a preferred call to action phrase, mention it. The clearer and more specific your prompt, the closer the first draft will be to what you have in mind. When your prompt feels solid, go ahead and click send. Lovable will use your instructions to generate a project for you. Give it a moment to process. You'll see it assembling the layout, copy, and design based on what you provided. As it finishes, you'll be taken into your project workspace where all the assets and pages are organized for review. Inside your project, open the preview to view the landing page. This is your chance to see everything in action. Scroll through the entire page and evaluate the headline, clarity, section order, copy tone, visuals, and button labels. Make sure the call to action stands out and that each section supports your main goal. If anything feels off, maybe a feature needs rewording, a section should move higher, or the color choice isn't quite right, note it. To refine the page, click the chatbot within your project and ask for changes. Be precise about what you want updated. Reference specific sections by their headings, specify exact wording for headlines or buttons, and point out color or spacing adjustments. Group related edits into one clear message so the assistant can apply them together. Review the updated preview and keep iterating until the page matches your vision. Small, focused edits tend to produce the fastest improvements. Repeat the review and revision cycle as needed, and once the page looks and reads the way you want, you're done. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.